This video is about solving a problem where you are trying to find the total in a percent problem. This comes from page 147 in the Envision book, and we're looking at number 7. So if you want to follow along in your book, you could do that now. The rabbit population in a certain area was 200% of last year's population. There are 1,100 rabbits this year. How many were there last year? So this problem, you are given a percent, and we know that we write a percent as percent over 100. And it's already set up for us, but if we hadn't had this, we would know that the reason why the 1,100 is with the numerator is because the whatever comes after the word of, that's the whole thing. So it says 200% of last year's population. So last year's population is the whole, or the total. So since we don't know that yet, that's why there's a variable for the whole, the W. So we need to solve this proportion. So I drew an arrow towards what I don't know. So one way to solve this proportion is using the scale factor method. So 200 times something is 1,100. So I'm going to divide to find that something. So the scale factor is 5.5. So I'm going to multiply. I will multiply 200 by 5.5 to get 1,100. So I'm going to multiply 100 by 5.5 to get the W. So that means my answer is 550 rabbits last year. Let's look at one more. This is page 146, number 4. So in this problem, you're also finding the whole because they're telling us that 68%, 68 over 100, 68% is 17 out of what number? So to do this, I drew my scale factor arrows, and I'm going to find what do I multiply 68 by to get 17. So to find that, I'm going to do 17 divided by 68. And I may be surprised to see that that actually is 0.25. So that means that I'm going to use the scale factor of 0.25. So I do 68 times 0.25, that should be 17. And it is, so now I'm going to multiply the denominators. 100 times 0.25 equals 25. So that means that 17 out of 25 is the same as 68%, or 17 is 68% of 25. So there's 2 examples where you're finding the whole, and in both of them I use the scale factor. So I hope this video helps you. Thank you.